Welcome to New English Stories. Learn English by listening to beautiful new stories. The Magical Garden Adventure. In a small village, lived two best friends, Mia and Max. They loved exploring and playing together. One sunny day, they discovered a mysterious gate at the end of their street. The gate had a golden keyhole but no key. Curious and excited, Mia and Max decided to find the key. They searched high and low, under rocks and behind bushes. Finally, hidden in a flower bed, they found a shiny key that sparkled in the sunlight. With the key in hand, they approached the gate. As they turned the key in the lock, a magical light surrounded them, and the gate creaked open. Beyond it was the most enchanting garden they had ever seen. The garden was filled with colorful flowers, talking animals, and sparkling streams. Mia and Max's eyes widened in amazement. A friendly squirrel named Sammy greeted them and offered to be their guide. Sammy led them to the flower fairies who sprinkled them with glittery dust, giving them the ability to understand and speak any language. Mia and Max giggled with joy. They met Bella the butterfly, who told them stories about her travels around the world. Then they helped Danny the duck find his lost hat near the bubbling stream. As the sun began to set, the garden glowed even more magically. Mia and Max knew they had to return home before dark. Sammy led them back to the gate, and they said their goodbyes to their newfound friends. With a final sprinkle of fairy dust, Mia and Max stepped back through the gate. The magical light faded, and the gate locked itself once more. They looked at each other, amazed by their incredible adventure. As they walked back to their village, Mia and Max couldn't stop talking about their magical garden adventure. They realized that even though they had only been there for a short time, the memories would stay with them forever. From that day on, Mia and Max visited the gate often, hoping it would open again. And while the gate remained closed, their hearts were forever open to the wonders of imagination and friendship. And so, Mia and Max's days became filled with stories of talking animals, glittering fairy dust, and the magical garden that had changed their lives in the most extraordinary way. And they knew that no matter where their adventures took them, the memories of their magical garden would always be a part of their hearts. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.